get bogged here.
Really?
Yep.
I hope not us because we're still working.
There's a fish in one.
In this side or in the other side?
No, there's some people in there. Everyone gonna go there.
Are they swimming as well? So there are some guys also having fishing or a quick swim inside. So that's the train rail.
Train station.
So where's the road?
Yeah, it's here.
On the top as well.
See?
Oh, alright. We're here in the new spot.
Hey, Jay, go away.
Tapos, nadumihan yung ano ba?
See people just coming in. Why?
Abdi, Abdi, you see someone left it.
Let's pick Mama underwear. You wanna smell?
Are you crazy or what? Wait, Abdi, someone's on it. They are swimming. That's kids. In here, might be we can catch some fish. Stop quiet. I don't disturb. Usually fish will go in that shade, huh? I think there are some crooks in here. Might be here. There's some crooks, some snake, huh?
You can't see any fish here.
Yeah, mostly in that place.
Fish is run away. Okay,
The road is on the side.
oh, you got one.
Oh shit! There's a fish. Oh, we catch one.
Yeah, but it's a bit small, but
Wow. Yeah, that's a brim.
black bream.
Wow. Look, oh shit.
KJ is very.
Wow.
So I'm gonna take it home. If I catch 5, that will be fine. 1 meal.
Wow. So there's a fish in here.
Yeah, plenty, man.
No, wait.
So there is a similar with tilapia, huh?
Yeah, but it's better than tilapia.
Oh, don't. Oh, you know.
Don't show it.
No, we catch again.
I'm gonna take it home.
We catch him again.
No. You're crazy.
He's gonna die, man.
Yeah, it will die. Just put it there. No, just put it there.
KG will eat it.
Don't step on the
He's
line.
scared.
Wow, so there's a fish in there. KJ, don't go there.
Stay here.
We're still catching fish.
See, look at the small fish chasing the line.
It's there.
Yeah, small fish. Don't bite it. I want big.
You want big?
Yeah. They're small.
It's not bigger than big.
Oh yeah, there's
There's plenty, man.
a plenty of small one.
Where?
See? There's a lot of fish,
That's a baby.
but they will not swallow it.
No,
They will just oh, look. CJ is eating our bait.
No, it's okay.
KJ!
It's okay. He's hungry.
I catch small one, but I don't like it.
Oh.
It's small.
Yeah, put it back.
Yeah, from the other.
Wow. There's a lot of fish in here. Very surprising. Wow, there's a lot of fish. That surprised me. Might be in that area, there's a lot.
You wanna throw a line up there?
No.
Come on, man. There's plenty there. Yeah. Catch the big one, eh? I want a big.
Hingingay ng kakato. Kakato yun. So, tinatry namin yung area na to kasi medyo lilim siya eh. Kasi yung isda kadalasan nagtatago sa may mga shade, lalo na sa mga river. Kaya nakakuha na kami ng dalawa. Yung isa maliit, binalik namin. Yung isa pwede na. Kaya yun. Yung si Abdi lumipat sa kabila. Oh, malaki. Malaki oh. Oh, laki.
Bigger than the other.
Wow! Ang laki.
Look at that. Woo! You're a beauty, mate.
Ang laki. Si KJ naglalangoy, dinidisturbo niya yung mga isda. Ang laki. Yun, oh. Naputol ba? Kasi gagawa ka na bago.
Marami kung ano dyan.
Naka-ano na?
Oo, naka-ready na.
Dito oh. Gano'n na siya ng lumo na laki. Yung tataba. Yung isda. Yun oh. Ano kaya nakuha ni Abdi? Punta natin si Abdi. Did someone kill a turkey here? Did you catch some?
Yep, like the big one.
Where? Really a big one or nothing?
Fuck the days, you might say. What the fuck is...
Oh, like a cowboy, oh.
Fish is gonna run away.
The small one bite your. Remove it because the small one is biting it. Throw it again in the far one. Why like that? Throw it there. You know, the closer to the shade, under the tree. No, your bait is gone. Oh.
Fuck, small fish.
No.
Where?
Wow, like a cowboy.
Where?
Whoa,
Where?
Yeah. That area. Yeah. Nothing.
Big one.
Big wood. Big crocodile. There's a lot in there.
Where?
Wow. What the heck? I see, there's a big one. Look. Throw it there. Yes, in there. See, the small one is following your bait. There.
Where?
There, see, there's a shade. And there's a big.
Give me some more.
Yeah. Oh, like a cowboy. Oh shit! Look, what? This is in the tree. What are you doing? Heck, man. throw it
I
again.
think it's better to be that side.
No, if you go to that side, the fish will come in this side. Because you don't want that there's a crowded place. Yeah. Yeah. That's the one. That's
Yep.
the one.
Now big one.
Yeah. Just let it. Oh, see? Hold on, hold on. See, there's a fish in there.
Wait.
Where? Nothing.
We need a steak. Too many fish here.
Too many fish, but you don't catch anything. Bullshit. So yan yung train na kukuha ng mga cone nasa taas. Nice view. So gaya namin, nagtatrabaho kami sa mining. Yan yung kumukuha ng mga minina. Nagaling sa puerto. Yan. So yun yung magkukuha ng mga minina ng ano. What the heck?
Throw like Pinocchio, man. That's it, I have lunch. I caught 3 fish. No more bait. Are we going? We're
Alright.
gonna catch Abdi.
No, this large one.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good
that's
throw.
the technique, man. We should throw like that, eh?
Like a cowboy. Yeah, you have a good technique, but there's no fish. You cannot catch a fish.
Big one now.
Where?
Big one. I can feel.
Where's the other one? Oh, I see.
Now I'm gonna clean it. So when I put it home, it's already clean.
It's big. See?
Yeah, it's big, eh? Look.
It's a brim. What do you call that? Black brim?
Yeah, black print.
Be careful, it's gonna swim in.
Take this one.
Oh, fuck, man. Just put it there. JKJ is gonna grab it. JKJ, that's too dirty. No.
It's a river fish. Actually,
It's a
we did
fresh
only for 20
fish.
minutes and we catch that one.
This fresh fish.
Yeah.
If you eat this fish, it's gonna make you horny.
Peace, man, peace. Peace, brother.
Peace, brothers.
Abdi, I found treasure. Abdi, look. Look, Abdi. Look,
What do you find? Diamond?
look.
What's that? Gold. Oh, 20 cents.
Pick it up, it's money.
So that's it for today, guys. Adventure, fishing, 4-wheel driving, and some river swimming. Medyo madali lang kasi kulang kami sa oras.
Look at Abdi. What the fuck, man? Look at Abdi.
Hey, what are you doing? You're destroying the car. Hey. Hey.
Samudra Africa.
Sarap pala ng ganito, no? Ulit ang kaming nagbisita dito sa area na to, pero nakakuha kagad kami ng isda. Ano, black brim ba yun, pre? Black brim, oh. Tapos daming mga isda. Kaso lang wala kaming oras eh. Kaya Yun, nag-decide na kaming umuwi kasi papasok pa kami ng alas 11. Alas 10:30 pala.
Tsaka meron pa kaming i-rescue, nabog.
Nabog ba siya?
Hindi ko alam eh.
So CJ at the back, Abdi is in the other car. Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Damn. That's it, man. We're bogged.
Lagyan natin ba ito?
Hindi meron akong mapagud.
Bumalaho kami. Ganito yung pagre-rescue ng pag nabog ka dito sa ano, sa mag 4-wheel driving. Yung isang sasakyan niya nandun pa. Ganyan. Atras kaya? Teka lang ha. Abot yan doon?
Ako, abot. Ha? Friend nga ba? Tama. Eh, wait.
Oo, sige. Atras ako. Abdi, go there because if that's
Ito yung control na likod.
is that Sylvie?
Tell the managers your staff. Let's go.
Yeah, we got bog. Your bog as well? So this is ang ginagawa ng ano pag nabog.
That's it. Stop.
So we'll So nabog kami guys. Yan. Ito yung remedy pag nabog o may ganito. Hindi ko alam kung anong ano to kasi first time lang ako nag 4x4. Buti na lang nandito si May. Hinila yung ano. Lock. Sarado? Wow, that's that the purpose in that. That's my first time, guys.
I hope we don't get bogged again, eh?
Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for helping us. Yeah. Ganon ka na dati, pre?
Oo. Normal lang yun pagka
Forward driving.
Importante lang, ano ka?
Present of mind, no? Nakahanda. Nandyan yung mga equipment mo.
Oo, kung makaahon naman tayo, kaya lang mas mabilis na hilahin nila tayo.
Oh. Sa likod mayroon din ganun. Wala. Hila. Ito meron.
Kung gusto mo, wala, harap lang. Kung gusto mo lagyan yung likod, nasa yun.
Mas madali pala dito, doon ang mahirap.
Oo, mahirap doon. Kaya lang shortcut. Nasa highway ka na agad.
Okay.
Eh kaya lang doon ako umakyat kasi nandun yung sakyan ni Sylvie. Buti hindi siya bumaba. Ay, sabagay, pababa naman eh. Makaano rin yun.